Bogor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabenta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Ka Frank Motors kala Rakhe ya ka World Environment Day ha ka santarik ujeliu arajar apsan da ka jetri lang bat ka dorbar snong light ko ringi lingba ka jingthung ya ki ten riding bakarpang ha ka snong light kor ka kenhuan jong ka Frank Motors ringkat bat kit khot jong ka snong kilai simbanta ban thung ya ki ten riding kum kadak ban penpau ya ka jingkit kli ban penne pensa ya ka maryang bat ban pet ngor ba ka laway jong ka snong ka thau kanlong ka bakhuj bat ka bajrangam ki customer ki bala thied ye ki electric vehicle ru ki la penpau ya ki jingmen to ki bami na ka jingpen don kam ye ki kali ki bapalan ya ka mai maryang na ka jingjabo wan jungo sya ka Frank Motors ban yo jingtip shushu syapang ki electric vehicle bat ban yasnok tilang ha ka jing persang ban wanra ka laway ka balad na ka jing pensniu ya ka maryang.
Hey mama, can you hear me as the ocean waves dance with the winds? Hey.
Play and welcome from all of us at Frank Motors. On this World Environment Day, we're proud to support a greener future with sustainable and affordable EVs from Frank Motors. Designed for today and ready for tomorrow. And don't just take our word for it. Hear from our customers who've already made the switch.
Skin, kasinong na umulong. Kaya nadok ka sini mga saya gede kekali tatati ago EV bere electric mo. Kaya kalau kapapes bahan lagi kali bro.
Nama tiet ya tapapon EV. Bang motivate nga pag tiet ka EV ka di lembaga we. The way staff dan tu dah berpayangan sepanggan EV but nak kau
Kemudian sua kamu kita bentuk sisi sebenarnya lah kumno sang hajar ndro hajar rentak kata berkausio.
the performance ng niro ang climb na to capacity berkelabuk ke company bagaimana tam niro ada pinang laban niya untuk kami.
Tapas Gupta and this is Soma Gupta, my wife. So today we are taking our first EV vehicle. And so the features wise this car we have seen in the YouTube and the reviews, it's very good. So let's see after driving we'll share the experience of driving.
We hope this inspires your green journey at Frank Motors. Enjoy exchange bonus, special finance and pre-registration for the first 2,500 EVs in Meghalaya till 2026. Visit us, take a test drive. The electric future is all you can.